So hey sister, welcome to Bhagalpuri Textile. So today we have this pure linen sari in full hand embroidered work with white and yellow color combination. You can see this is very beautiful sari here and see the work. This is given by the customer and we just customize color of this sari. Okay, you can see the work here and this is all customized color given by the customer of this work. Okay, and see this sari has this buta on the blouse side and it has the back side buta. Okay, so wait, I'm just opening this sari and showing you the full view of this linen sari. So wait, so sister, you can see here this is the full view of the sari here and this is customized color given by the customer. Okay, so here you can see this is the palla area. Okay, you can see this is the palla. In palla you'll get this stripes pattern. Okay, and the upper side has this white color. Okay, and you can see the work. This work is in 4.5 meter long and you can see the width of the work. Okay, we call 11 inch of this size, this work, and the upper side has this 3 inch of work which is of 2.5 meter. Okay, 2 to 2.5 meter from palla to shoulder, and the lower side has 4.5 meter of work. And you can see the color combination in tassels which is of two color, and we can customize any color of your choice if you don't like this color in sari and in tassels. Okay, so also you can see the texture of the fabric. This is 100% pure linen by linen sari. Okay, so this is the view of the sari and I'm just showing you the blouse piece of this sari. So you can see here this is the shiny texture of blouse piece here, and these are the two butas which will come on hand side. Okay, so this is the buta which is come in hand side, and you can see this work will come on back side. Okay, or also you can see the texture of the fabric. This is very good quality fabric and fabric. Okay, so the total length of this sari is 6.5 meter including blouse piece, and 1 meter blouse piece attached in sari. So if you want to buy this sari, you can DM us. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.